Welcome Facebook Live, Elyse Southwell at Nasdaq Market Site in Times Square for Nasdaq Disruptors. Today we're talking about digital advertising. We're giving you the inside scoop on a hot topic that's affecting the space, viewability. Everyone's talking about viewability. We have Snapchat, Facebook, Google, Vice, New York Times. We have the expert in the space. We have founder and CEO of viewability vendor MOAT, Jonah Goodhart. Welcome, Jonah.
Thanks, Elyse. Thanks for having me.
So I think to start, it would be helpful if you can give our viewers on Facebook a 101 on digital advertising, just to sort of level the field.
Absolutely. So digital advertising has been around about 20 years at this point, and it makes up $168 billion in annual spend. $168 billion out of $600 billion in total advertising. So a pretty enormous amount of money is spent on digital advertising and digital ads. And of that, believe it or not, $100 billion of those dollars go to two companies, go to Facebook and Google. And so essentially, the free internet that we all love, the ability to share messaging, to talk to each other, to get news, to get information, is all being funded and fueled by digital advertising. And I think it's a pretty incredible ecosystem that I get the pleasure to be a part of.
So now, what's viewability?
Yeah.
Viewability 101.
Absolutely. Viewability is a really simple idea. It just means that the ad that you bought was there. If you went outside of the studio we're in Times Square and looked up at an ad, you would assume that if you bought an ad, somebody could physically see it. That's all it is. And so in digital, turns out that not every ad that people buy actually makes it to a consumer's screen. Turns out, in fact, about half of all advertising that's bought never actually makes it onto somebody's screen. And so we have a fundamental issue in a $168 billion market when half of all of the ads never actually show up on somebody's screen. And so that's what we've been working through and dealing with as an industry.
Cool. So MOAT, what's MOAT?
Yeah, MOAT's actually a measurement and analytics company. So we help the largest marketers